happy Vlogmas day 4. This month has gone by like really fast. Like I know we're only 4 days in, but like a quick 4 days. So today's Tuesday, I believe. Yeah, today's Tuesday. I have a lot of exciting things going on today. I have math review that I'm going to in like 15 minutes, and then I have lunch with my big and my twin for my sorority. If you guys don't understand like that stuff, just I don't feel like explaining it, sorry. And then I'm gonna study, and then I have a dinner with my friend. And yeah, I'm really excited. Fun things going on today. Let's do the advent calendar. Where's 4? Oh, 4's little. What could she be? Oh my god, I think I broke. Ugh, did I break my camera? I drop this thing all the time. Whee! Ooh, another perfume. I just put on perfume. Are you kidding me? Oh, now it's not coming out. You gotta be kidding me. Oh, I got it. Oh, I like got it out and then I went right back in. This is pure vanilla. It's called La Vanilla. Sounds like lavender and vanilla combined. Like if that was a thing, La Vanilla. Should I put it on? I'm already wearing perfume, but it's gonna smell like a watermelon vanilla. Just got back from the review. This girl that was like doing the review, like, but she was like, so you, wait, no, and my friend and I were like, but I'm going, I really need to study. I have to be at lunch in about an hour. So I think I'm just gonna make some flashcards for my communications class. And I'm really hungry, but I know that I'm gonna eat in an hour. I'm gonna eat some fruit snacks. It's a lot later, as you can tell, it's literally pitch black outside. Hey, I just got back from lunch with my, give me a sec, I need to text someone. So like I said earlier, I got lunch with my big and my twin, and we went to Postino's. I didn't vlog it, I don't know, I didn't. So there's like no footage for today, so sorry. But I'm doing the study guide, and there's like, oh my god, you guys, the study guide is so annoying because, well, it's not like a study guide, it's just like topics that you should focus on. I finally found it, it was a whole thing. So you see like all of these topics, there's like 38 of them, right? But I bolded the ones I haven't like need to do, but like for each one there's like multiple bullet points. Like this one right here, like this isn't even like bad ones. I'm trying to find one. 13, that's all 13. So it's like a lot of stuff that you need to know. The first 3 topics that you need to know about on the test. Yep, wait for it. We're not done. There we go. Yeah, that's the first 3. So wish me luck because I have that test on Friday. But the day before I have a math test, which I also need to do really well on. So I'm struggling and stressing and I don't know I'm gonna do well. I'm gonna get lunch with my friends right now. Or not lunch, dinner. I'm not even hungry, but I still want to spend time with them. Okay, we're at dinner right now. I just feel awkward vlogging in front of people. They gave us the wrong fries, so we're enjoying it. Do you guys wanna like, I feel bad you're eating. Hi. Do you wanna say anything to it to make my vlog longer? Because it's really short right now.
So I'll say our names or something.
Do you want to?
Yeah, I guess.
There are people coming. I feel bad.
Tell me if you want to be in it.
I don't want to embarrass you.
Why? I don't care.
Sometimes people get embarrassed.
Is that random?
You're funny. Say something funny.
That's so much pressure.
I think you're funny.
I don't know if I'm that funny.
You send funny gifts in the group chat.
Oh, I do send funny gifts. I feel like that's kind of my thing. I like literally sit on like iMessage and like look through all the gifts. Like, and I'm like, this one. And then I like find a way to like set it up. I'll like search weird things.
You'll set up the conversation.
I literally, so we have this group chat for my for my residence hall. And I literally had my roommate send a text before so my gift would go perfect. It's great. Yeah, that's weird.
Do you want to say your name or something?
Oh, yeah. I'm Aspen. I'm from Albuquerque, New Mexico. Let me just give you my bio. I'm a finance major, and yeah, is this my Rush interview? Please pick me.
What are your interpersonal skills? How do you feel in group settings?
I don't know. Good, I guess. How would I rate myself? Out of like the Office characters, sometimes a Michael Scott, sometimes a Kelly Kapoor, and sometimes a Kevin Malone. And that is me. You're welcome.
It's a lot of pressure to follow up.
Yeah, I don't know what to say. What should I say?
Your name would be a good starting point.
Okay. Hi guys, I'm Allie.
Oh my god, food. Oh.
This kind of looks like an elevated McDonald's.
This does look like an elevated. It looks like a tall.
That's pretty bad.
Do you want to finish yourself or just want to eat?
Yeah, I'll finish my head. I don't know what to say that you have to tell me because I'm not good at this. Should we interview you? Let's make this like Rush. Alright.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Alright, we double team it. Interview. Alright, so welcome to our interview.
Welcome back to Alpha Chi.
So tell us about yourself.
Hey, well, my name's Allie. I'm from Phoenix. I'm a business law major, and I'm not as cool as Aspen, so there's that.
None of us are
a lie.
None of us are.
Me, here I am like licking my finger from my fries, like what?
Allie's the most accomplished person I've ever met.
True.
And on to Daniela.
I'm probably the opposite of Allie.
We're roomies next year.
Oh yeah, we are. GLB. I know, I'm so excited. We already got the blow up mattress for the other one. Yeah.
Actually, can I live with you guys?
Yeah?
Yeah. Actually, skipping and what
Let's make it live in a single room. Oh my gosh.
Oh, you're done? Just kidding. Never. Oh, we can screenshot this and get so many good pictures. I'm showing them this like little hallway that's like.
I don't have anything like this back home.
It's a tourist one.
I'm like, oh my god, you guys! Arizona is so beautiful! People will like make fun of Arizona. I'm like, makes me sad because it's so cute in here. New Mexico like is pretty sometimes, but Albuquerque is like not this.
This is the cutest hallway of Arizona. Do you guys want to take a thumbnail picture?
Yes.
We just like can smile or whatever. Is it blurry? Oh wait. That's good. Do you want to show them your outfit? I think I broke my camera because look, it's not like clicking. I dropped it so many times.
But it's like, are you gonna have to stay up like all night doing this?
No. I'm putting that on the internet. Oh. Welcome back to my channel.
Hey guys, welcome back. So I dressed up really nice for you because Keegan gave me a heads up. So here we go. We're gonna start from the bottom.
Oh.
I got these shoes that are from
Guys,
Forever
we're all wearing
21.
black booties.
Oh yeah.
Oh. Are they the same ones?
No.
No,
Oh.
but we are all wearing black booties.
Oh, Black Booty Gang.
So. Is that gonna be now?
Are you talking with an accent?
I don't know. My roommates always do that, and then I don't realize it till I'm like on the phone with my boyfriend. I'm like, hello, how's it going? I wear these boots and I wear these.
Pick some up, Loa. Have you seen them?
Oh yeah, all of the stuff I'm wearing is from Forever 21.
Oh, I
I'm,
love.
like balling on a budget.
We love a savvy sister.
Sorry.
Hey, I'm back now. I just had so much fun spending time with my friends. Like, I've just been feeling really down recently. Like, I don't know why. Like, I'm happy, like, things are going good, but I've just been feeling down about, like, a lot of things. I feel very overwhelmed and stressed, and, like, spending time with my friends, like, without a doubt, like, they 100% every time, like, make me feel so much better and happier, and, like, they just, like, reassure me that, like, I'm not going crazy and that, like, my feelings are valid, and, like, they give me advice, and, like, they're just so amazing, and I just love spending time with them, and it just makes me so happy. So I'm glad I was able to vlog it, and you guys can meet them a little bit. They're so funny. I freaking love them. But yeah, I'm actually going to edit this vlog and then maybe stay a little bit. Probably not, because like it's late. So it's like 10 o'clock right now. Like I just got back. It's 10. Yeah, I literally have not done studying. I have not studied like at all today because I've just been so busy. But like I need to study. So I'm kind of stressed. But it's okay. It's fine. I'm fine. It's gonna be fine. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Mwah.